recording your dogs.
Move, Molly, Molly. Move. 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 Hey, hey, boys, boys, hey.
Move.
Wait. Hey. Hey, move.
Don't make him bite you.
I'm trying. Oh, look at that fight. Oh, that was a pretty good fight. Yep. Hey, move. And I'm just gonna let him go at it.
This is soft.
Are you soft?
Oh shit.
Check that guy out right there in the description.
How do they work?
You're supposed to be in this video.
You would know if you broke your arm.
Trying to stop these little two rascals. Hey.
How to poke a dog from behind.
I dare you.
Get distracted on this. I touched the ball.
Molly, you guys are just so
Oh,
cute.
poop's coming out of Molly.
What?
Look, a poop one's coming up. Or is that his balls?
Oh,
Oh, no, that's just a ball. Some weird looking ball.
Yo, move. Stop it. Hey, Molly, move.
I'm gonna touch the butt.
Molly, move. Hey, move.
And are you doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
Here, look, I got a bone.
Just got absorbed. I touched him. Move. Guys, hey.
The dog goes moo. The cat goes roast.
Stop it.
Elephant
Stop it,
goes
stop it.
squirrel.
Molly, move. Ready? Yeah. All hope is lost. Just take it, will ya?
Here, I'll throw it. Guys, I got a new announcement for my channel. Charmander is cool.